Folding electric bikes are undoubtedly the best choice if you're on a tight space or not traveling very far. These bikes can be packed into small spaces, making them great for those who don't have a lot of room in their house or apartment. Since folding electric bikes often come with batteries, you can get some exercise without even having to leave your home. It's also very convenient if you want to take it with you on an airplane or by train, bus, or any other public transportation because it won't take up much space in your luggage. So let's find out which are the best folding electric bikes that can be bought online or in-store these days. Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like our videos, and tell us what you think in the comments. Today we'll find out what are the best folding electric bikes on the market, so be sure to stay until the end of this video. Alright viewers, let's continue. Number 10. Aviton Cinch. The Aviton Cinch is one of the best folding electric bikes on the market. This bicycle features a 24-volt, 250-watt brushless motor that will get you up to 15 miles per hour with a range of 20 to 40 miles, depending on your weight. Its frame is made of aluminum and is adjustable in height, which allows riders to choose their most comfortable position. The Cinch weighs 55 pounds, which might be a little heavier for some people to carry around. However, if you have the money to spend or want a high-quality bike that folds into an easy portable size, this could be perfect. All the tires are 8-inch wide and have tubes filled with air. They can take some rough roads well, but don't offer much traction, so they can feel wobbly at higher speeds. There is no suspension system, so potholes and bumps feel jarring over time. The battery life depends on how often you use the bike and what modes you're using. An empty battery lasts approximately 2 hours, but a full charge takes 12 hours using a 220-volt outlet, or 5 hours from a 110-volt outlet with an extension cord. Though there's no quick charge feature available, you won't need to recharge too often. Number 9. Motosol 3-Speed. The Motosol 3-Speed is a folding electric bike with a lithium-ion battery and an aluminum frame. If you're looking for an affordable but quality motorcycle, this might be the one for you. The Motosol 3-Speed has an aluminum frame, which makes it both lightweight and durable. The bike includes a convenient carrying rack at the front to take your belongings with you, and a bell to signal pedestrians. The saddle is made of high-quality fox leather, so it's comfortable to sit on while driving, even going long distance. It also offers speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, meaning you'll get where you need to go in no time. It does not have built-in headlights or taillights, so if these features are essential to you, make sure they come standard before purchasing. One downside is the lack of a suspension system, but considering its low price point, this may not be a deal breaker for some people. The Motosol 3-Speed is available in 3 colors: blueberry, a navy blue, khaki, a light brown, and plum, a dark purple. It folds into a compact size measuring only 13 by 24 by 33, making it easy to carry around when not in use. Number 8. Blix Vika Plus Flex. The Blix Vika Plus Flex is a folding electric bike that can be fitted with a powerful 250-watt motor, which means it's one of the best electric bikes for carrying luggage and riding on hilly terrain. With its 7-speed Shimano gear system, you'll be able to tackle whatever comes your way. The Blix Vika Plus Flex has a 36-volt battery that can take up to 40 miles in full throttle mode. In eco mode, the bike can last up to 80 miles before recharge. The charging time is 4 to 6 hours, but if you're in a hurry, there's also an emergency charge function that can get the battery going again in just 60 minutes. It folds down so compactly that it will fit into most car boots, perfect for taking on public transport. If you need an affordable yet dependable folding electric bike with long-range capabilities, this should be at the top of your list. Number 7. Lectric XP 2.0. The Lectric XP 2.0 folding bike is the perfect option for a bike that folds up to save space. With an anti-theft locking system, adjustable handlebars and seat, 18 speeds with Shimano gears, and powerful LED lights, this electric bike provides all the tools you need to get around town comfortably and efficiently. It also includes a 500-watt motor with speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. So if you're looking for a lightweight folding electric bike that can take on any terrain, look no further than the Lectric XP 2.0. The Lectric XP 2.0 is one of the most popular folding electric bikes on the market. It's a great, reliable bike with features that make it easy to ride and transport. It can fold up in seconds and be stored in a closet or under your desk at work. It also has a front suspension, which makes it more comfortable to ride over bumps or potholes that you may encounter on your daily commute or a weekend ride with friends and family. The bike also has a disc brake, which stops quickly and are easy to maintain by adjusting the pads as needed. Number 6. Rad Power Bikes Rad Expand 5. The The Rad Power Bike's Rad Expand 5 is perfect for commuters who need a quick and easy way to get from point A to point B without taking up much space in your car or truck. It folds up quickly so that it can be stored in the trunk of your car or under your desk at work when you're not using it. And it's designed with lightweight materials so you can comfortably ride it on bumpy terrain without feeling like you're going to fall over. This is an electric bike that's perfect for getting around town. We recommend it for those living in urban areas where walking isn't feasible due to traffic congestion, lack of sidewalks, or distances too far to walk. It's also great for those who live close enough to their destination but would instead save their energy for other activities than paddle a traditional bicycle all the way there. If you live in an area where driving is difficult due to traffic congestion or parking limitations, this may be the answer. It has several speeds that allow riders of different skill levels to travel more quickly when necessary. Number 5. Quality Sports Volador 20. The Volador 20 by Quality Sports is an excellent choice for those who want to ride a bike but can't due to physical limitations. The folding features of this bike make it easy to store and transport. It has a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour, which is enough for most people. It also has battery indicators, so you know how much power you have left before needing to recharge. This bike is considered one of the best electric bikes because it's one of the few that doesn't require assembly out of the box. You need to attach some handlebars, tighten up some bolts and pedals, and charge it. However, it does not come with accessories such as lights or fenders. If you want sunshine on your bike, I recommend adding them on yourself because they don't come standard with this model from what I've seen in pictures online. Number 4. Montague ME1. The Montague ME1 is a folding electric bike with a 250-watt motor to help with pedaling and hill climbing. The bike offers the best of both worlds by being lightweight, compact, and easy to fold while still providing the power of an electric bike. The frame is made with aluminum, making it lightweight but durable. The front fork has suspension for increased comfort while riding on rough terrain. With its 20-inch wheels, the bike can handle obstacles like curbs and potholes more quickly than other bikes might be able to do. The drivetrain features a Shimano Altus rear derailleur, which gives you a wide gear range for hills or flat terrain. The battery takes 4 hours to charge, providing up to 45 miles of riding. Setting at a fast rate will provide 25 miles in just 1 hour. The Montague ME1 also includes lights, so you can ride at night, and reflective tires, so you're visible during the day. It's perfect for commuting or recreational riding because you can use this bike year-round and in all weather conditions. Number 3. Espen Nesta Electric Folding Bikes. Espen Nesta electric bikes are the best option for those who want to get out and enjoy the world around them, but don't want to do it on a bike that can't be folded. This makes them perfect for those who live in crowded urban areas or want to take their bikes while traveling. The best part about these bikes is that they can be folded up into a small size and then quickly unfolded when you're ready to go. Espen Nesta has a wide variety of models available, so there's one for every budget and riding style, from mountain bikes to city cruisers. One of the best things about these bikes is that you can customize your purchase. Some people will choose a folding electric bike because it takes up less space at home, while others might want to save money by getting an affordable commuter model without all the bells and whistles. No matter what type of rider you are, or what features you need, there's an Espen Nesta folding bike just waiting for you. Number 2. Go Cycle G4. The Go Cycle G4 is an electric bike that folds for every storage. It has a range of 30 miles on one charge and takes 4 hours to charge. It comes in both single and double speed models, with the single speed model being cheaper than the double speed model. The company offers a lifetime warranty on its products so that you can feel confident in your purchase decision. The only downside is that it doesn't come with any pedals, but this won't be an issue if you already have them. A bonus feature of this bike is its built-in lights that allow you to ride at night without worrying about getting hit by a car. You also get a set of tail lights for daytime visibility. Some other features are a 3-speed toggle, rear rack with integrated light, anti-theft wheel locks, and fenders. One reviewer said they love how the headlights turn off when they turn off the battery switch or when they remove their key. Another reviewer mentioned it was a perfect size, lightweight enough to pick up when needed quickly, and large enough to accommodate 2 riders comfortably. Number 1. Turn Vectron S10. The Turn Vectron S10 is a folding electric bike with a lithium-ion battery, integrated lights, and fenders. It has an aluminum frame that folds in half and can be carried like a briefcase. This makes it easy to use public transportation or store in small apartments. The bike weighs 45 pounds, but the lithium-ion battery brings the weight up to 58 pounds, making it easy to carry when fully assembled. This bike shifts smoothly through gears, while the Tektron mechanical disc brake provides consistent stopping power. The 250-watt brushless motor provides plenty of power for hills and headwinds with a range of up to 30 miles per charge. At night, you can use the backlit display panel to read how far you've traveled and how much battery life remains. Weighing only 45 pounds, this bike is perfect for those who want an affordable bike with a powerful motor. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Please drop your opinions in the comments and don't forget to like our videos, as well as share and subscribe. We will be dropping more videos soon. Thanks for watching.